This is the Panasonic SDR2530 bread maker, and we are going to try and make wholemeal bread. The setting of the bread maker varies based on the type of bread you're making. So today we are going to focus on a medium-sized wholemeal bread. So to start with, we'll need around 1 teaspoon of yeast. For a medium-sized wholemeal bread, we'll be using 400 grams of wholemeal flour. We'll use 1 tablespoon of sugar, about 20 grams of butter, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and about 280 milliliters of water. I'll show you the operation of this machine, but just to understand, for this particular model, we don't have a separate yeast dispenser. Now let's have a look at different parts of this bread maker. So there is a small latch here. If I press and open it, the first thing that you have on this side is the seed dispenser. We do have some sunflower seeds which we'll be adding to this, but you can add any other dry fruit or raisins or stuff like that in the seed dispenser here. So that's what it looks like. This is where the seeds or the raisins go, which we'll be doing in a minute. You then have, so you just close this, and then you can open this. This has got the actual bread template in here. So in this, you have the kneader as well. So this has to be inserted into here, which helps kneading the dough. You attach that like this, and then you place it in here where you add all your ingredients, shut the lid, and then choose the program. With a measuring spoon here. So this bit here is tablespoon, and then that one is the teaspoon. Here, as I said earlier, we'll be making a medium-sized wholemeal bread. So I'll be putting the wholemeal flour in here to exact 400 grams. Order in which we add things. So I got the fast-acting yeast in here, and this is exactly 1 teaspoon. So that is the very first thing that goes into this. So I'm adding that in here. After yeast, the next thing to go in here is the wholemeal flour. We are going to put 20 grams of butter. By 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon, so there you are. That goes in here. And 1.5 teaspoon, not tablespoon, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. 1. And that's about half. Left is adding the water. Using this water measurement cup that was provided along with the bread maker, and add exactly 280 milliliter of water in there. You just add it across the side so you avoid splashing. You place the container into the bread maker so it fits in. That's done. Close the lid. Now there's one more thing we are going to do. As we said, this is optional, but we are going to add some sunflower seeds. You can add any seeds into the seed dispenser here. That lid. Plug this in. Turn the switch on. You select the menu using the up or the down arrow key here on the front panel, which I'm guessing you won't be able to see in this video. So for the medium size wholemeal bread, you choose menu option 7. So I'm just going to keep pressing that until I see 7. So on 7 it says 5 hours. Don't forget that because you are doing medium size, you also select the size of the bread from the menu option here. It defaults to extra large. Just press it once so that it shows M on the display here. Once that's done, it's all ready to be started. I'm just going to push the start button. There you go, and that's all started for you. When the bread is ready in approximately 5 hours, it will beep 8 times to indicate that it's done. You then open this lid up immediately, use your oven gloves, put the bread onto the wire rack, which I'll show at the end of this process. And yeah, that should be the end of it. Thank you. It will be a moment of truth in about 3 minutes. As you can see, once that's done, it will beep 8 times. It'll start beeping any minute now. Okay, so that was 8 beeps. You can see the indicator says it's ended, and I've got the wire rack ready here. This is where I'm going to place the bread, let it rest and cool down. We'll then cut it into slices. So we'll now open the lid. And as you can see, it kind of looks ready. We'll pull this out safely and then place the bread on the wire rack. Carefully. There you are. And then I'm going to put this onto the wire rack. As you can see, that's now done. It's placed here. Once it cools down, we'll use the bread knife to cut it into slices. That's the medium-sized loaf ready. Given it about an hour or so to cool down. Now let's slice this up. This. That's really delicious. You can see the inside here. This is freshly made with no preservatives in it. If you're not going to use it up all at once, obviously this is going to have a really small shelf life. So I'd recommend you pack this up and then freeze it and use at a later stage. So yeah, that's it. Wholemeal bread done. Thanks very much. So this is all chopped up and ready to be frozen.